Hello friends, today I'm here to talk about the Golgi Apparatus, which is another organelle that we're going to talk about, and it's very important for our cells. So, before we talk about the functions, I need to talk about the background and the problem statement, alright? So the background about the Golgi Apparatus is that a Golgi Apparatus is one of the three main organelles, alright? I was about to say that, but besides that, there are the three main types of organelles within a cell. The three main types are nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, smoothly or roughy R, and the endoplasmic reticulum. Not the endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi Apparatus. Those are the three main types, and the problem statement is about how we get these compounds good. How are we going to get these compounds, like, instead of getting poisoned, or like there's going to affect our traits. So, when we eat, we get ourselves digested. Not we get ourselves digested. Don't think about that. Our food. The food has all the nutrients, proteins, anything, fats, oils, anything like that. Mostly we're going to talk about proteins and fats, or also known as lipids. The proteins don't actually just come to your body parts and be strong, or those things, like the muscles, everything. Wrong. That's not gonna happen. They don't do that. They actually have to go some cell, like the animal cells, that's what we are, any cell, and they have to be modified. And that's why there's the Golgi Apparatus organelle. But they first have to be together in the nucleus and all those ribosomes, and the endoplasmic reticulum. They have to do those, and then, actually, they form a vesicle. Now, here comes the function part. They form a vesicle and comes to the endoplasmic reticulum. So now, I'm going to show you how it works now. So, first of all, actually, I'm going to turn it around. You see these two balls right here? These are the inputs, the input vesicles. And they all have a compound. Each vesicle has mostly one compound. They can have two, but mostly it's one compound. And mostly we're going to talk about proteins, because proteins is the most popular one, and they do these things. So how it works is the input vesicle comes to the cis phase. As you hear, this flag right here, this is called the cis phase. Meaning this is the first phase, as you see here. The first phase, what it does is the input vesicle comes in and all the compounds are released in this lumen. All of these black things you're seeing is lumen, like a type of jelly substance. But the lumen also makes all these compounds line together so that nothing can escape or be unorganized. Lumen just wants them to be organized. So they travel through the, what's it called next? The cisternae, I don't know how you can pronounce it. Leave in the comments down below how to pronounce it actually. I just say, but the cisternae, what it does is just these edges. They're like the endoplasmic reticulum. The edges doesn't do anything, it just holds the lumen. That's like the endoplasmic reticulum, like I said. And the lumen, like I said, is just it just organizes them. It's a jelly substance. And then when they are finally packaged together, they actually have to be modified. That's what the Golgi Apparatus is. Golgi Apparatus is a modified center, or the packaging center. It packages all the the proteins, lipids, anything. They modify it. They just don't give them, or else it'll affect our traits, and that's going to be bad. They need to be modified so that we can be good and healthy. So and then when it comes to the end, this is called the trans phase. The trans phase is the end phase, where it forms this newly vesicle, or as you see here, it probably says something to you called the newly forming vesicle, but it's a newly vesicle because it's forming another vesicle. The final vesicle. The final vesicle is the clean vesicle that can be outside of the cell and come to the other body parts, and you are good and healthy. So that's why this organelle is very important to the cells and us. If we didn't have this, then like I said, it'll affect our traits, it affects our bodies, and we might die. So that is about the Golgi Apparatus, and I hope you understand and enjoyed about this video. and we're gonna do another organelle that'll be next time, this next week. So I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day. Bye.